My career has started off in construction industry, from electrician to a building construction manager, to later in life getting higher qualification, degree qualifications to MCIOB, which I'm really proud of. My career has spanned over the decades from ordinary construction to renewables, which is my passion. So I'm really interested in helping people use their homes and be rid of fuel poverty and live in a home that's sort of fit for purpose. I came to Solent today to talk to the construction management students about sustainability in the built environment. I think it's important that they understand that during their studies there are things they can do where they can make a change. So I wanted to talk about fuel poverty, which is very close to my heart, where it costs people 10% of their salary just to heat their houses. So this is something that it can make a difference. So if I can put over some of the knowledge I've gained over the years and retrofitting, because retrofitting is probably one of the biggest jobs they're going to have. New houses are quite easy, but when you have to refurbish a property for its heating, ventilation, insulation, you've got to have that extra little bit of knowledge. And so I'm glad that I can impart some of the knowledge I've gained over the years to these students. I was awarded an MBE in 2012. I was really proud of that, something I didn't expect to get. And it was just I thought for doing my job. My job was to sort of retrofit and look into possibilities of helping people out of fuel poverty. Fuel poverty is where 10% of a person's income is spent, over 10% is spent on just heating their house. And you'd be surprised the amount of people who can't do that, can't afford that. And I think it's our role to help people just live in their property, be able to heat their properties affordably and live in a decent thermal comfort. So when in 2012 I was awarded the MBE, I was really surprised and really proud of getting that and knowing that maybe I've done something good. If a student wants to get into construction project management, I think they should realise more than it's just a study of the theory about fabrics of buildings and all the calculations you need to do and the hard work that's needed there. I think they should realise that they actually can make a serious change. They are the people who will be saying, let's use this product, let's use that product, let's use something that maybe is better for the environment and maybe make that house fit for purpose. We're losing so many skill sets where people don't think outside the box, thinking about better ventilation, cheaper heating, better fabric insulation, rather than maybe a more sustainable fabric. Why don't we use sheep's wool for insulation? It's far better quality, it's better for the environment, internal environment, let alone the environment as a whole. So I think students should realise they're more than just a construction project manager or a building surveyor. They can actually make a big difference. 2017, I formed Future Isle of Wight, a community interest company. It's something I've been wanting to do for years. I've also been involved in other charities to look into fuel poverty and retrofitting heating, hot water systems that's affordable for people. So I formed Future Isle of Wight to sort of do exactly that, what it says on the tin, be part of a community, help communities on the island.